All right, guys, welcome back. Still trying to get used to my new little studio setup, but I'm really happy with the way that it's turned out so far. So thanks for bearing with me, my little leave of absence, I guess, from making video and creating content for everybody. So today, I've got 2 bags left of this typewriter, and I want to get them knocked out. So today, I think it's bag 10. Yeah, I believe we're doing bag 10 today. I'm gonna knock that bag out, get it done, get this typewriter complete, and move on to something new. Still don't know entirely what I want to do next. Probably a few small ones, and then I'm thinking the A-frame after that, but we'll see. Man, all sorts of crazy stuff that Lego has put out this month and in upcoming months. So, holy crap, what is one Lego set that you're really excited about between now and I think August? They have new releases up to then. So now to the end of the year, what's one Lego set that you're really excited for? I personally want the Pac-Man set so bad. That thing is so cool. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get that into my inventory. Yeah, let's get going on the build. We're gonna build bag 10. We're gonna knock it out real quick and see you after that. Here's what that bag looks like. All right, well, that does it for bag number 10. One bag to go. One bag to go. And I can put this little typewriter behind me. However, it is starting to look pretty cool. It looks so neat. It's just been such a pain in the butt to build, and it hasn't been the most fun for me, but I'm gonna get through it. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get it done. I got one bag left. Probably gonna knock that out again tomorrow. Can't promise the video will come out tomorrow because I have a family and all sorts of responsibilities. Aside from Lego, however, I will get it done super quick. Beyond that, thank you for joining me, as always. It's a lot of fun, and if you want to chat, you got something you want to send my way, a picture of whatever it is that you're creating right now, I'll leave links to all my socials. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.